Okay, you guys, here's the tree. What? Okay, welcome back to our DIY channel. I'm Cassidy. Today I'm going to show you how I decorated this Christmas tree in the theme of Nutcracker in the Four Realms. Also, we have a special playlist with a bunch of other YouTubers and bloggers, and I will link to that at the end of the video. Please be sure you check it out. It is called the Creative Christmas Challenge. This is what it's going to look like in a second, but we will go back to the beginning. Rewind, rewind. Name that. Well, it's not a movie, but that might give you a hint. Today we got a new tree, a white tree, just from Walmart. I looked around at a few different places, and this one was only $100 as opposed to $200 and $300. I'm actually really happy with it. It is a 7.5 foot tree. We are gonna go ahead and start with ribbon. Let's go. I got these at Walmart. I got this one at home. We are just gonna work these into the tree. I'm gonna start with the blue. I like to push the ribbon into the tree. We have the ribbons on, just kind of going back and forth. Now it's time for picks. I have 5 of these kind of feather-like, glittery things. I like how these break the plane of the tree, sticking out a little farther than the rest of the branches, just to give it a little more texture. And these do have a wire in them so you can shape them a little bit. These are more picks. It's actually a garland that has picks like woven around it. And I'm gonna take it apart and use these. This was $14.99, and just buying the picks themselves were like about $1.99 a piece. So this is definitely cheaper. And then what I can do is just work these into the tree. Now I'm going to get all of the large balls I have. I think I have 6 large ones. Okay, so again, now that this is on there, I'm going to hook this in and kind of nestle it into the tree so that branches are sticking out past it. Okay.
Tiger's helping, look. The tiger cat, the tiger... Oh, Tiger, the Tiger King. It's so tigerlicious. Never lets us hold him. Tiger, why did we get you? You never let me hold you. That's what mommy requires.
At the Dollar Tree, I also found these adorable little wings. These do have like a little gold string, but there's also a little loop, and I'm just adding the metal hooks that I have to the little loop. I like how they look like little hearts. I really like all the glitter. I don't know if you can see it in the video.
Everything is so sparkly.
It's very sparkalicious. It's like pinkalicious.
But sparkalicious.
Sparkalicious. It's time to put up some more of the different ornaments that I have. I only have 3 of these little swans. They're swans in the Nutcracker, right? So I have these nutcrackers from the Dollar Tree that I painted. I do really like the color. I'm glad I painted them. I'll show you how I painted them a little bit because they actually took a while. Oh, I like them. What do you think, Lydia? Do you like the little nutcrackers?
Oh, yeah.
They're so cute. 99-cent store, guys, the dollar store. These kitty ballerinas because that's the cutest thing ever. And I think I'll probably spread them opposite of the swans because they have an off-white color. Tiger, come here. You're getting cute. will be the topper, the tree topper. You're the funniest thing. Wait, Tiger. Hi. I also have these little ballerinas that we made. Okay, wrong side. Here it is. So they are just little ballerinas with tutus and they are pink. So they should go pretty well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I have 7 ballerinas. And I'm gonna hang them on there. I have so much stuff to put on here that I might not, but it is the Nutcracker, so. Speaking of Nutcracker.
Nutcracker in the 4 realms.
I know, that's exactly what I'm doing. So I do have from the land of the sugar plum fairies. Suckers, sucker. Okay, but these are styrofoam, so don't eat them. These suckers were from At Home. Honestly, they would be so easy to make with a piece of paper and some glitter glue and just a stick and then adding a bow. So if you like to make ornaments, I wouldn't necessarily buy them. I also have some pink ones. They're actually kind of coral, but we have all tones of pink on this tree, and that's okay. At Walmart, they had, also for sugar plum fairies, they had these little ice cream cones and cupcakes, and they were $1. So as far as affordable ornaments go, Walmart had a lot of cute pink and blue. They had popsicles, so be sure to check out Walmart if you want to do kind of a sugar plum fairy tree. One thing I like about buying ornaments at 2 different places, or even 3 in this case, we have the Dollar Tree, Walmart, and At Home, is that we have some different tones in the pinks. We have the rose gold pink, we have more of a jewel pink, and we even have a coral pink, but I think overall it's just sort of monochromatic, but it gives it a little more depth than if you just had all rose gold. I hope that makes sense. Say hi. Okay. Oh, look how pretty he is. You are the prettiest boy I've ever met. What is that? Oh.
Come together on this Christmas holiday, singing like ooh, ooh, I don't know what they're saying. Okay.
Oh. And hello. Donuts. The last little sweet that I have, I got these at home, at the store At Home. I really feel like you could make these. You could take a ball of tin foil and put some paper mache over it and sprinkle real sprinkles onto it.
Or they might be cake pops.
They might be cake pops. They could be. Either way, you can't eat them because they're styrofoam. Yeah. We'll just throw those on there. Don't think that you have to go out and buy everything. I'm totally not a fan of that. We'll have to be careful if we have actual little children come over because these might be too enticing for little kids. Sweet little kitty. Help me put the tree skirt on because she's so nice, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, you are. I do have one last kind of cool, different shaped ornament. I like it. I kind of like the added pink. Yeah, they stand out a little bit. So these are kind of cool. They have wire. Oh, I just knocked off one of the, okay, don't do that, what I was doing. Okay, I'll stick back on. But they have a little clip. So you can just clip it to the tree. I do love the clip butterflies. I have these in quite a few different colors. So for the land of flowers, I should have put these in earlier and I forgot about them. But I do have these really pretty flowers, so I might nestle them into the branches here and there. And then last but not least, I do have a bunch of these kind of more rose gold balls. Okay, so any spots that feel like they need a little more stuff, this is where these are gonna go. You can put them in the tree, you can put them on top, on the edge of the tree. just wherever you think they need to go. Okay, and I'm gonna add these. Mostly on the edges. Okay, ta-da! I feel like I need to be a ballerina with my nutcracker tree. It is done. That is how you do it. This is how you do. Okay. We're so excited about how the tree turned out. Seriously, every time I see it, I love it. I love the colors. It is so beautiful. It is so inspiring. I know it's not a traditional Christmas color scheme, but I'm liking it, and I think my girls like it. Girls, what do you think?
I love it.
Haha, that was in unison. In case you're wondering, both of them like it. Be sure to check out the Creative Christmas Challenge playlist. Say that 10 times fast. And all of our other Christmas videos here. We should have more Christmas content coming your way very soon. Bye.